As the leader in new and re-engineered compressor manufacturing, we at Four Seasons take pride in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility located in Grapevine, Texas. This 178,000 square foot facility is the heart of our business, where quality engineering and manufacturing result in a finished product that is second to none. Additionally, with our commitment to preserving the environment, you can rest assured you're going green when you use Four Seasons products. Our mission is to be the automotive aftermarket's benchmark for value. Our goal is to provide world-class service and quality, while fostering employee teamwork and preserving the environment. Our tour begins in the engineering department. The engineering team, with over 75 years of combined experience, first performs extensive research to determine if a particular OE unit has a known pattern failure or weakness. If any compromises in the original design are found, modifications are incorporated to improve upon the compressor's performance and longevity. Once a core has passed initial inspection, our highly experienced manufacturing group, with an average of 9 years' experience, conducts a multi-point analysis of the core's integrity. Our re-engineering process permits any of the manufacturing personnel to refuse or approve a core's eligibility prior to re-engineering. The combination of our experienced staff and advanced manufacturing technologies ensure that only the best cores will proceed onward to become the end product that we're famous for. This dedication to quality is further demonstrated in every stage of the re-engineering process. After inspection, the core undergoes a pre-wash to clean any excess debris prior to declutching. We then remove the hub, pulley, and coil using a specially designed hydraulic press. The bearing is removed from the pulley, and the remainder of the assembly moves to the clutch department for further processing. Here, we see the compressor body in the roto-finish machine removing any remaining residue. Disassembly technicians remove the case bolts and separate the unit. Next, we separate the pieces into one of two categories: components to be re-engineered and those that will be recycled. The parts that will be reused are inspected by our highly experienced quality assurance group for damage, wear, and fatigue. We then move to a detailed finishing process, where we take all of the reusable parts and clean, polish, or resurface them. All bearings or roll pins are removed and replaced with new ones to ensure proper operation. Finally, the parts are again inspected, measured to ensure that they are within tolerances, and prepared for assembly. The shaft and valve plate processing is next. Here we start with the shafts, which are cleaned in a shaker. They are checked for runout to ensure trueness. The parts that have bearing journals and lip seals are polished. The lip seal area is checked for damage and measured for appropriate specifications. If no damage is detected, the threads are reconditioned and chased. The valve plates are also cleaned in a shaker and then resurfaced to ensure a smooth finish. Finally, the reeds and retainers are cleaned in the turbo wash, inspected, and sent to assembly. Four Seasons also manufactures new parts for various compressors. Our engineering department designs the tooling and dies for all new parts, such as pistons, yokes, and noses that are manufactured in-house. With our state-of-the-art CNC machines comes the need for state-of-the-art calibration and measurement. To maintain quality, we use Statistical Process Control, or SPC, where our technicians take samples from newly manufactured stock every 30 minutes and measure for specified tolerances. These methodical procedures ensure that we maintain the highest quality of manufacturing. The assembly phase of our compressors starts with piston preparation. All new piston rings are sized for optimal performance and then installed along with the new reeds. The pistons are measured along with the shaft and all internal parts. From here, the pistons and shaft assemblies are installed into the compressor case. New valve plates, gaskets, O-rings, and seals are installed into the head and nose. The bolts are then torqued to exact tolerances in a multi-step low-to-high pattern. The final stage in our manufacturing process is a battery of quality control testing. Here is where the Four Seasons philosophy of quality shines. We meticulously verify the integrity and quality of all of our compressors using a function test, vacuum and pressure decay tests, and a leak check. Our function test consists of installing a compressor manifold and cycling the unit at a predetermined RPM while nitrogen charged. The compressors are then measured by a computer for pump and bleed time. In the vacuum decay area, the compressors are plugged into the vacuum decay machine and cycled. This process pulls a vacuum on the unit for a specified time period. From here, the unit is attached to the pressure decay machine and charged with nitrogen to operating PSI. The system then monitors the compressor for an allotted amount of time, noting that the unit maintained the specified pressure. If a compressor passes these tests, we move to the final stage, the leak test. The leak test consists of attaching the unit to the leak check machine and charging it with nitrogen to simulate normal operating pressures. The unit is then submerged into a special leak testing solution and monitored to detect even the smallest of leaks. After passing all tests, the compressor is then charged with Ice-32 lubricant and nitrogen and forwarded to the packaging department. Each compressor is individually shrink-wrapped to a custom-made insert and packaged along with all necessary sealing material and instruction kit. This ensures safe delivery to any destination worldwide. Throughout all of these phases, Four Seasons makes every effort to be environmentally conscious, and we have committed ourselves to make a difference in many ways. This is evident in our cleaning process that consists exclusively of water that we recycle and treat on the premises with zero discharge to the environment. This allows us to avoid the use of mineral spirits and harmful cleanser compounds. We are also committed to recycling all unused scrap parts so that the metals may be given a new life elsewhere. As a result of these and other initiatives, Four Seasons now holds the ISO 14001-2004 certification of environmental management. We believe so strongly in our ability to produce a quality product that we back every compressor with the industry's most comprehensive warranty. With all of these conscientious steps, we have one goal in mind: to provide our customers with the highest quality product available at a reasonable price. For more information, contact your local territory manager or visit us on the web at www.4s.com.